Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking or searching for a good platform to stake your cryptocurrency? Then you came to the right video, because in this one we'll be talking about the best 4 cryptocurrency staking platforms. We will go through them in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, and let's dive deep into it. So guys, we start this video with the first platform we have here, which is Gemini. Gemini, of course, well-known, well-respected platform. You can have it on mobile phone, you can have it on your Android, iOS, you can have it also as a desktop. It's very simple and easy to use. The interface is very interactive and things are quite well laid out in front of you. Of course, it's a privately owned cryptocurrency exchange that let you buy, sell, trade, and securely exchange and store more than cryptocurrencies, and it was launched back in 2014, so it's almost 10 years around. And it has built its reputation and it's well trusted, and of course this here has millions of users around the world, and here this will help you start investing in crypto, start staking crypto, start exchanging crypto, and making the best out of your crypto, also using the mobile application, so everything is at your fingertips. And the interface, as I'm telling you, is just so fluid and so interactive here. And even the platform, if you're using the desktop version, you will find that things are just so fluid and so much makes sense. But of course everyone is just stuck to their phone nowadays, so you can actually start using it on your mobile phone, and you will find actually that the exchange rate is quite good and the fees are quite low, and things in this app here or in this platform are also rewarding in terms of staking and in terms of long-term investing. So you might need to have a tour around here and see what's going on. And of course also they are integrating their NFT platforms as well, and also giving you the door to start also storing and investing and buying NFTs. So they are integrated all aspect of the blockchain technology right now, and this is a very highly competitive platform, and things are also moving very well for this one. It has been around for more than 10 years, so you can trust it, and you can also make sure that millions of users around the world are putting their trust in this cryptocurrency exchange and platform. So you can consider this one if you're looking for a good platform to start investing or trading or getting involved in crypto. Now we move on to the second platform I have for you here, which is Bybit. Of course you have heard about Bybit before, also very well known cryptocurrency exchange, has taken the world by storm. This here offers you a lot of options and a lot of opportunities. You can have your trades, you can have spot trading, you can have leverage trading, you can have trade bots, you can copy trade, you can do whatever you want. They also have a launch pad, so you can have everything involving crypto in this platform. You will find that's also on Apple Store, it's also on Android, and you can have it of course as a desktop or on your tablet. So it's working everywhere, every time. It's well supported. I mean, the trust in Bybit is just growing every hour, and millions of users around the world. And also they are starting to integrate Web3, Bybit wallet, and the DEX and the NFT. Also they're integrating NFT, so currently covering all aspects of the blockchain technology. Millions around the world are putting their trust on this platform here, and you will find that they are on a nutshell here, giving you the hot coins, hot derivatives, and the leaderboard also for the competitions that are making for trading. And you can explore all the things. Spot trading means that you buy the coin itself and just store it, and you don't have to go in a leverage trading. But if you want to go for leverage trading, also they're having leverage trading, or aka future trading. They're having NFT marketplace. You can also earn Bybits, and you can also have the options and buy crypto and start involving yourself in the whole realm of cryptocurrency over here. And of course they're having here the finance, which is earn, and this means also staking, meaning that you can have good rewards on your staking portfolio rather than just leaving your money sitting aside. You can start staking it and getting interest even on USDT, which is the equivalent of US dollars. You can actually get money or get investment return on your investment over here. So Bybit is a very well trusted platform, and people around the world are just using this without any problem whatsoever, and it's also well secure. Security is at the highest level for Bybit, so you might need to consider this one if you're looking for a good platform to start investing in crypto. Moving on now to the platform number 3, we have Kraken. Kraken here also very well known, very well trusted. The reputation speaks for itself. It's used by millions and millions around the world, and here you will find that the interface is quite easy. It's one of the simplest platforms out there to start getting yourself involved in crypto. Of course, it's classic nowadays to have it in App Store or the Google Play. If you're an Android user, you can sign up easily and get access to over 200 cryptocurrencies plus, and you can start in minutes with as little as $10. You can just set up your payment method, your credit card, debit card, whatever, or you link your bank account in. You can just directly buy over here, and as you can see here, 9 million clients around the world, and they are supported over 190 countries around the globe, and you will find that currently they are trading at around 207 billion quarterly trading volume. So that means if we're going with the same rate, the yearly would be nearly touching $1 trillion in trading volume every single year. That's just an insane number. And as you can see here, it's one of the simplest and easiest processes to get yourself involved in crypto. You just create a free account, connect your funding method, and just get access to multiple coins and cryptocurrencies over here. And you will find an overview of the major cryptocurrencies. Of course, there are hundreds of them, but the major ones, of course, at the hotspot over here, you'll find Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Lumen, Chainlink, Litecoin, whatever you can think about. Of course, trustworthy cryptocurrencies, you know, a lot of scams out there, but here with these big platforms, they are also having their standards and their benchmarks, what they can include and integrate into their platform, so you can also have some peace of mind that you're actually investing in something good. But of course, you will need to do your own research and to develop your knowledge and educate yourself more about any cryptocurrency or any form of investment before you jump in. That's your due diligence, and that's your duty also as an investor to inform yourself more. But this here will facilitate and make everything easy, and make everything as easy as your fingertips. You just click a few buttons and you're good to go. And last but not least, we have the final one here, Coinbase. Of course, Coinbase is by far one of the oldest, one of the most popular platforms to trade crypto and start getting yourself involved in crypto. The interface is very easy. The interface is just a beginner's interface. You can just enter the amount of money you want to invest and choose a coin, and that's it. You can just link your account with ease. You can link your debit card or credit card with ease. It's just like that. You can get authenticated and you can just enter the world of blockchain. And they're also, of course, having their advanced version where you can trade futures, you can invest, you can spot trade, you can just trade with leverage, you can do whatever you want, and you can also invest and earn income or earn yearly return on your staking or your holdings. And over here you will find a quick overview of the market. You will find BTC and Ethereum. Of course, these are the two most talked about or most cryptocurrencies on demand over here. And of course, they are also having hundreds of cryptocurrencies on the platform, and you can choose out of them. And of course, you can have the trust in Coinbase, because Coinbase has been around for years and years and years, and it has access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies, and they have users all around the globe. They're supported in over 100 countries, and they're currently hovering around 110 million verified users. Verified users meaning that the users have the KYC, know your customer, and they're verified users. And also they're trading at around 145 billion quarterly volume trade, meaning that the numbers and the liquidity within the platform is just insane. And here it's as easy as that. Create your account, link your bank account, and start buying and selling and investing, and just getting yourself involved in the cryptocurrency space. And as you can see, also they are also available on iOS, available on Android, so you can use them pretty much anywhere, anytime. Whenever you have internet, you have access to your crypto and your investment, and you cannot miss a chance once you have trustworthy crypto platform at your disposal. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the best platforms to start staking your cryptocurrency rather than just leaving them sitting around doing nothing. You can actually earn passive income or earn yearly interest on your crypto when you stake them. So I would highly recommend you to check the links down below, inform yourself more, educate yourself more about the topic, and you will find actually it makes sense. So as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and as usual, till next time, bye bye.